Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, well, we did a little bit of work again on Kitt or car. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do still, but okay. So I got my switches here. I couldn't find used one, so I bought this one just to fill up the holes because I have manual windows. Chris gave me a switcher for my TV screens, so that's installed. That's Chris did the wiring. I just bolted the unit to the dash, moved my relay a little bit on the right, and now we have a second switch. That's not the power's not on, but we have another switch that flicks the switcher here from one screen to the other. So that's great. So that's done on the inside. Now I'm trying to do some sanding. I did mask all of my electronics, so that's done. I took off the TV screens, so that's not too bad. It's looking good, pretty much even. I did a little bit of bundle on the edge of both of the switchpods. Needs a little bit more finishing, but it's not too bad. So, oh yeah, I did the speaker grills. Just a second, I'll go get them. Okay, so what I did, I took a paper like that and I put that on the holes for the speaker grill. And I did a template. So after that, I just went here and I did the same thing on the speaker grill. But those speaker grill are pretty old. This is the 1984 fiber, so this is very brittle. So what I did put masking tape. This masking tape here, I took masking tape, I taped everything here because as you can see here, that's moving. If you're not careful, you're going to break those. So when you put masking tape on here, I put like 3 rounds of tapes on the outside and on the piece that was over here and on the back of it, so this couldn't move. It's that way. It's harder to break. So it turned out great. I'll show you. I'll put them on the dash. So that's this one. Fits like a glove. That's the other one. So there's a little bit of a gap over here, but it's not too bad. So speaker grills are done. Don't forget to take them off when you're not done with the dash, because if you turn the dash over, they're going to fall on the ground and they're going to break. So another thing I did, I painted my lower console. This side, the finish is super good looking. Okay, love the matte finish, super great. But on the other side, the finish is not that good, and I did a couple of coats and it's the same. So don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I'm gonna have to try and maybe sand it and give it a coat or two. But it's way better than it was before. So that's done. So yeah, that's where I'm at now. Chris is supposed to come again this week to try to do some more. Oh yeah, I needed to put a little bit of bundle here to make this larger on each side, because my bezel, my overlay that goes on the voice box, wouldn't hide the crack that was over here, so I had to put a little bit of bundle on each side. So with that done, the finish is going to be great. So yeah guys, I just wanted to show you what I'm at. So I'll see you in the next one, and leave a thumbs up, and talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.